Hi guys, I have three issues to talk about in this video. One, part 2 audit marathon which you are asking for. Both final part 2 audit marathon and inter audit part 2 marathon. Regarding final and inter, regarding both of you I'm discussing in this video. Kindly watch this video till the end. And I sincerely request you to watch this video without judging me. Because there is a reason why I'm telling you this, okay? Don't worry, I'll not disappoint you. I'll not disappoint you for sure. Don't worry. Three issues. One is regarding part 2 CA final marathon, CA inter audit marathon. What is the status? Another one, we have developed something called exceptional question bank. This is an exceptional question bank in CA final audit, and this is an exceptional question bank in CA inter audit. Exceptional questions, where exactly 100 questions are there in CA inter audit, exactly 140 questions were there in CA final audit. What are exceptional questions? Whether it is a final audit or inter audit, what are exceptional questions means? If you have not solved these questions, no matter how conceptually strong, how commendable you are, if you have not covered these 140 questions in CA final audit and CA inter audit 100 questions, if these questions, any of it comes in exam, you will write answer pakka, no doubt about it, but your answer is not right. Reason? These questions are differently asked. There is a high chance that you misinterpret these questions and you imagine some other answer, you write that answer where the suggested answer will not contain that answer and your answer will go wrong. Like that, when we are discussing the class in CA final, we identified 140 questions in our question bank. Actually, if you see my CA final audit full question bank, 720 questions are there. If you see my CA inter audit question bank, I think I'm not sure exactly the number, but more than 600 questions or 500 questions were there. More than so many questions were there. But out of it, only 20% were exceptional questions. Literally speaking, my students, whoever is following my book, Goat Notes and Question Bank, or any other student, you don't have to revise all the question banks, all the questions, past exam, nothing. Why? If at all your conceptual is strong, 90%, 70 to 80% of the questions you can solve based on conceptual clarity, where you can do really well. But in CA Inter, the 100 questions which I'm going to show you here, you can't answer them like this unless you read these questions. Same way in CA final also, unless you solve these 140 questions, don't worry, we have given chapter wise. I will tell you, don't worry, where you can download the file, everything I'll tell you. Unless you read these 140 questions, it's impossible for you to write. So that is one more thing I want to talk about. And audit charts. I have prepared in CA final audit, I have prepared chart for Caro and professional ethics, and CA inter audit Caro 2020, no doubt. Many more charts will come. Now I know you're waiting for, sir, what about part 2 audit marathon? I'll tell you what happened exactly for me. April 1st week, not April 1st week, March last week. Yeah, March last week, March 20 to 24th or somewhere around, okay? Somewhere around March 25th. 5 days I was absolutely sick. Sick in the sense, it's not that I'm bedridden. My throat is gone. Literally 3 days. Why to that extent? You open my CA final marathon. First part you see, latest CA final marathon. First part you see, my voice is there only 30-40%. This is after 5 days of break. Approximately 4 to 5 days, my voice was completely gone. What happened because of that, I'll tell you. Because of those 5 days, every day generally I take 5 to 6 hours of class. 5 days into 5 hours, 25 hours my time got wasted there. Then in my CA final audit fast track course, unexpectedly the number of hours increased by 10. So 25 plus 10, 35. In my CA inter audit fast track also, unexpectedly the hours where we budgeted, beyond that it go by 10. Total 40 to 45 hours of workload unexpectedly got time wasted. I mean 40 to 45 hours of time got wasted there itself. Due to which I'm literally, you don't know guys, even today for the 15th April, many students are asking everyday marathon where, what, I know some students are even commenting, they're going a step beyond, and then see, they don't understand what, how much effort we are putting. Like literally, when we see these kinds of comments, no, we feel very bad. I understand it's very important for you. I understand you loved my marathon. That is the reason that out of that particular interest only you are commenting. But don't think that we are empty and wasting time. Today morning 7 o'clock I started the class. 8 o'clock I closed the class. 8 hours in between I recorded. My CA Inter Income Tax fast track course is going on. Okay. We are not at all empty here. I'm telling you. Above all, we are doing this exceptional questions, to make you pass all that. So like every day tens and 20, 10 more tens of like 20 to 30 comments every day we will get. Where is part 2, where is part 2, where is part 2? We are waiting. Like I'm unable to reply each and every student. I replied my level best, but still finally I decided, let me do a video based on goat notes part 2. I cannot do for this attempt. But wait, I'll tell you, don't worry. Open YouTube. There is a fantastic option I'll show you. Okay, suppose if you are a CA final student, open YouTube. Okay, so just to go to my playlist. Here you will find a playlist called, okay, here just a minute, here you will find a playlist called, okay, CA final May 25. Inside that part 1 you already saw, where amendment related one, NBFC 800 series CA final student already done. Only remaining all other chapters, literally there is no amendment here. For remaining all other chapters, my previous version part 1 part 2 also added into this playlist. Inside this pending topics, timestamps and all were given. I request you to watch that marathon. Trust me guys, even that is one of the best marathon here. That is one of the best marathon. No matter any other revision class you watch on YouTube, I can tell you nothing can match the standard at which I covered. I sincerely did level best, even in the previous version also, which is a 7 months ago. The same thing is applicable for CA Inter also. The same thing is applicable for CA Inter also. Just a minute. For example, you go to CA Inter. Okay. Same here also. If you are a CA Inter student, here you see CA Inter Audit. So here you see this is the first part. CA Inter Audit May 25. Earlier 7 months ago, September attempt purpose, I uploaded 3 parts marathon. Here I have covered almost, I can say 35 to 40 marks of the coverage. Okay, in this particular, not 35, yeah, 40 plus marks I covered based on the latest goat notes. Rest of the topics, I request you to watch the remaining old marathon. Trust me, you watch that marathon and then immediately read the goat notes. If at all you are having a goat notes, you feel everything sync, because the structure of goat notes is similar to my previous version notes only. Just that in goat notes the sentences are bit simplified. In the previous version marathon, the notes which I use sentences are bigger, but the order of arrangement of topic, everything is exactly same. I just want to convey this. Now you might immediately get it out, sir, why can't you do at night time? Morning I'm taking 8 hours class. Honestly I'll tell you what my ENT doctor, I met a doctor, like when my throat is lost completely, I met the doctor. He told me I must completely stop talking for 2 months. 2 months he told me not to talk. But I told him, sir, it's impossible, because I have students who paid courses and I have to honor them the lecture. What should I do? Then he gave me certain antibiotics. Okay, some antibiotics and all he gave, and I'm using those antibiotics. For example, this is one antibiotic which I'm using. Just a minute. This is a very powerful Flexon medicine. You can just check it out. This is generally used for fever and throat infections, all that. Okay, so this is one medicine which I'm using. So initially I used it especially for some 1 week approximately, where the infection was little reduced. This is not actually antibiotic. This is something like, paracetamol kind of only. Okay, so initially I used that because I'm getting continuously throat irritation, and I'm getting like some sort of sickness because of the heavy classes. So that I'm using, and I'm using some syrup. Yeah, this is also one of the cough syrup which I use. This is one cough syrup which I use every day. Even now I'm using it. After this video I need to use this. I know I don't have cough, but still I have to use for sore throat, for a sore for what soothing, for soothing effect I will have it. Another 1 week, another 5 days to 1 week I have my existing students classes. After that maybe April month end, maybe if my time permits, that time, if at all my energy levels also permit, I will do part 2 then new, based on new goat notes. But one thing I want to tell you, what you know, day before exam, you have CA final audit exam, right? Day before exam, at least 4 hours I will revise certain topics fantastically, certain topics which I have not covered in part 1. 4 hours approximately I will do one revision of some at least 25 to 30 marks worth of portion before CA final audit exam. Same way, before CA inter audit exam also, 4 to 5 hours I will do one marathon before exam, day before exam. Like you will come, you'll go write some exam and come back, right? You'll have 1.5 day time, right? Within that time I will do some 4 to 5 hours revision class in CA inter audit, CA final audit, where I will cover literally minimum 30 marks weightage I will cover, okay, which is not covered in my part 1 marathons, which I already uploaded. Simple. This is what I just want to convey. Literally, no faculty, not just me, any faculty, whoever is there here, every one of us are working extreme hard. Trust me, you are all studying just 9-10 hours. We are working, we are taking class for 7-8 hours. Yeah, not easy. Our 1 hour class is equal to 5 hours, 3 to 5 hours of corporate job. If you're working, if you're studying for 3 hours means is equal to our 1 hour energy consumption. We take 7 hours class means it's equal to 21 hours of your effort. It's not that easy. That to a marathon is equal to 4 to 5 hours. You spend 5 hours, how much energy you lose after reading, while reading? 1 hour we lose that much energy in marathon. It's not that easy. Literally we are keeping our life and then doing this. We don't take it granted at all. Your time, we never take it granted. Okay, so I just want to convey this. Rest I can only leave it to you. If some of you feel, that I can't do anything, that's it. That's it. See, tell me honestly, why the hell I want to not to upload a marathon? That marathon promotes us a lot. In fact, if I upload marathon, you'll watch more, you'll promote me more. That is actually a very good thing for us. Getting it? Why I will? Who will stop promotion? Who don't want promotion? Tell me. But when I'm not uploading means health. Second thing, my existing students who paid for courses, especially audit, CA final audit fast track I completed, CA inter audit fast track I completed. Now I have CA inter income tax fast track students. Okay, I need to honor them. For me, that is most important than the promotion. Okay, that is most important. They need to be happy, existing students. Promotion for me is secondary always. Okay, so if I give them the proper product, if I give them the proper class and timings in spite of my health issue, that's it. But for you anyhow, I'm not doing any injustice to you, by the way. Don't think that I left you completely. No, I gave part 1 marathon, my previous version is there. Notes here I gave it as a open PDF here. I gave it as a open PDF. Even now this exception questions and all is open PDFs. You can download it. Just open our website. There's a website, rest of a CNCMA website. Okay, you can download it here. Go to free resources. For example, you are a CA final student. Okay, you go to, just a minute. So CA final student, you go here. You can find your exceptional questions. You will find exceptional questions here. You see here. This is exceptional questions. You can download like this. So what else I can do? And same CA inter also. CA inter also. You can select here. CA inter, already by default CA inter only selected. Here you see P5 old, no, P5 new goat notes. Open this. Here it is there. Apart from that, we have even charts we prepared. For example, this is a Caro related chart which we prepared. Getting it? This is a chart that we prepared for Caro. Same way we prepared for professional ethics too. I'll show you right now professional ethics chart for CA final. Caro can be used. Caro chart can be used by anybody. This is professional ethics. First schedule in one page, second schedule in another page, just for easier mind mapping. By the way, the charts just only for mind mapping. You should not write this matter. You should write our goat notes matter only. If you write only this matter in exam, you will not score. This is only for mind mapping, for quicker reference. That's it. So literally, I explained you my situation behind why I could not upload part 2 latest marathon based on goat notes. I explained you. Kindly, if at all you came to last of the video, if at all some important points about exceptional question bank charts and all I spoke just. Okay, so kindly watch the previous, if at all you skip the video, kindly watch that. Exceptional question bank I already explained at the beginning. Exceptional question bank is nothing but, once again I'm telling you, if at all you didn't read this question at all, if at all the same question comes in exam, 99% you will write an answer which is not relevant to that question. Twisting questions, very twisted questions. That kind of questions, 140 we identified in CA final, 100 we identified in CA inter. So exceptional question bank, I showed you where to download. Sir, what about charts? Just now I showed charts, right? Don't worry, it will be uploaded here itself. Mostly here itself it will be uploaded. For example, you know, you go CA final. Actually, we just uploaded. Actually, our team has uploaded already. I don't know why that folder is not coming, but it's okay, no problem. Again, you know, we will upload here. Here you will find one charts folder. You will get it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now coming to CA intro also, inside this new Caro chart I will upload. That's it. So I just want to give this update to you, and I'm extreme sorry. It's beyond my control, beyond my health capacity. I know some of you would have disappointed, but it's high time for me to take a gap. That's it. Okay. So all the very best. Do well. I'll come up with more and more videos which are of short duration. Okay, because another 5 days I have a class. After that I will take 1 week voice rest. Then I will resume classes. That is that you know, only when I give my voice rest from at least April 20 to 30. Only small videos I can do. I can't do bigger videos like classes and all. Only if I give rest for at least 1 week to 10 days. Day before exam I'll be super active and I'll be guiding you effectively. That's it. Okay. So again, income tax also day before exam. For you income tax people also, I'll come before day before exam in live. CA final audit day before exam I'll come into live. CA intro audit day before exam also I'll come into live. That's it. Okay. All the very best. Do well.